man, I'm back. Like I'm back with a vengeance. I'm back. Like I feel like it's like I just started again. Like I'm excited. My wife sees it. My kids are like,
what changed?
My marketing, just everything I want to do now from social media. I'm just really in it now. I'm all in. Why? I don't know. I woke up one day going, I want more. I want to build more. I'm still.
You want more money, or you want to build more and help more, or what is the mission?
My biggest thing is growing the business and hiring more team members.
Create jobs,
yes. And then the team members I have now, bettering them, moving them in different roles. Because, let's say I'm the CEO, I'd love to move one of my team members to my role, and then I can go to another role of building markets. Like we're trying to open up Houston right now, and if it does well, I might look at Abilene, I might look at Midland. This state is just growing and growing. And Austin has been it's been one of the best cities for me to grow a business. San Antonio's been great. Dallas is doing amazing. So I would say it's a recession-proof business. Everybody needs it, and then it's like when you get broken into, it's the ones that are like, I got broken into, now I need it. Those are the ones that I feel bad for, because they're the ones that don't want to spend the money for it. But I always believe the proactive ones are the ones it's the way to go. You're the same way. Yeah. Be proactive, get the security, get what you need, and you can sleep better at night.
A growing business is easy to say, but it's hard to do. And you know it. You just mentioned many times that you nobody without your team. How you find the right people working for you, because a lot of people out there, especially startups right now, they have a problem that find the right co-founder, right partner, because you have a partner. How we can identify a right partner or employee or somebody that has the same vision as you have, or you can train them. How you go through that?
Oh man, it took me forever to find these teammates.
It's hard, isn't it?
It's been one of the hardest things I've ever done. It took me 25 years to find the team. It's crazy. Sometimes I've seen others take 5 years, but for me to be, I'm very particular. I like everything a certain way. I like my team members to follow our software the right way, everything. And when you get those ones that don't want to follow, the process, they don't want to follow, then you have to upgrade them. You have to move them on, because it's not a good fit for us. But we've been blessed. Like our team is, at this moment, our team is the best it's ever been. And I'm like, I can sleep at night and I feel great.
Because you have some team members, they've been with you for a long time.
Oh my God, I got some great guys that have been with me now they've been with us for over 15 years. My partner and I.
Have you asked them why?
That's a good one. They've told me why. I've had some tell me, I love working with you. I love working here. And a lot of them, one thing I've learned now, it's not all about money from these guys. It's weird. Like most people be like, oh,